How to fix Honor Magic 7 camera distortion. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then clean your camera lens for soft tissue or cloth. After that, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps, and then again click on apps, and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then click on storage, and from here you can clear your cache memory. After clear your camera cache memory, then go back to your home screen and open camera. On top right corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on the setting icon and then scroll down in last and then restore defaults. It means reset your camera settings. After reset your camera settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.